Hello everyone, this is Vicky from NIPER. In this video, we will discuss about different phases of clinical trials. Very important topic for GPAT and NIPER. In generally, in drug discovery, the clinical trials are performed after the preclinical trials, which are conducted on animal models. But clinical trials are performed on human volunteers. In this, we have total four phases: the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4, and the fifth one is your microdosing study, that is zero phase. In phase 1 of clinical trials, the name it is human pharmacology and safety. It is conducted on healthy volunteers, that is healthy human beings or healthy subjects. Nearly up to 2200 volunteers are conducted, and the purpose of this phase 1 clinical trials is to know your maximum tolerable dose and safety and tolerability. In phase 2 of clinical trials, that is therapeutic exploratory, where 100 to 150 patients are taken, that is homogeneous population. Here, homogeneous population means the same kind of people or same group of people are taken. Nearly 100 to 150 patients are taken. The purpose is to establish your therapeutic efficacy. The third phase of clinical trials are therapeutic confirmatory, where up to 5,000 patients are taken, and those are heterogeneous population. Heterogeneous population means the trials are conducted on different areas and different people, which includes your pregnant women, geriatric people, and all different kinds of people. The purpose is to confirm your therapeutic efficacy. And this phase 3 is very, very important. And if you are succeed with your phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3, you can go for NDA filing. This is very, very important bit for GPAT. So phase 3 clinical trials, therapeutic confirmatory, you can file NDA application after the completion of your phase 3 clinical trials. And the phase 4 clinical trials is your post marketing surveillance, where a large number of patients are taken into considerations. The purpose is to know rare and long term adverse effects. In generally, the post marketing surveillance are conducted after the release of drugs into your market, and to know the public feedback. And the last one is your microdosing studies, that is phase 0 of phase 0 clinical trials. It is also performed on your healthy volunteers, and the purpose is to know your pharmacokinetic profile and pharmacokinetic studies of your drug. In this all clinical trials, only the phase 1 and phase 0 clinical trials are conducted on your healthy volunteers or healthy subjects, where all the rest of these three clinical trials are performed on your patients. Where in phase 2 clinical trials, homogeneous population are taken, nearly 100 to 150, and phase 3 heterogeneous population are taken, which includes your patient, pregnant and geriatric people. Up to 5,000 patients are taken into consideration. And phase 4 use your post marketing surveillance. So this is about your clinical trials, and very, very important. And after the completion of your preclinical trials, you can file your IND application, that is investigational new drug application. But after completion of your phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, you can go for your NDA application. So this is about your clinical trials. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel.